Alright, welcome guys. Today we're using the Raspberry Pi 3 with the SenseHat. And first off, we're going to show you how to put it together. First you start off with your HDMI cable and make sure that's plugged in. And then you go to your audio or your video input cable and make sure that's plugged in. And then you want to plug in your mouse and your keyboard to ensure that you can use the computer and the Raspberry Pi. And then you want to, last off, you want to make sure that it has power. And then if it's working, this rainbow will come up. Make sure everything's good. Computer should turn on. And then it'll start booting up. And then in a short seconds, you can start coding. And then now that our computer is on, we need to go to programming, to Python. You want to go to the menu, to programming, then click on Python 3. And wait for that to load up. And then the first two lines of code that you want to create will allow your program to work from sense_hat, import SenseHat, and this imports all the software from the SenseHat and will allow you to use it correctly. And then you want to do sense equals SenseHat, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then this will create a SenseHat object that will allow the SenseHat to be used in your programming. Alright, so now what we've done with our code is we have our two original lines here that get our SenseHat to work. And but what we did this time is we've taken the Raspberry Pi, which has an IMU, which is an inertial movement unit, and it allows and it has a gyroscope, an accelerometer, and magnometer, which allows us to detect movement on the Raspberry Pi. And our code contains a while loop, so while one gets these inputs, it'll store them as these variables, which are pitch, roll, and yaw, and then it'll print them on the Raspberry Pi. And then to get the movement, you need to save your program, and then press F5, and then wait for your code to start running. And then you can see that it's displaying the pitch, roll, and yaw, which aren't changing because the Raspberry Pi is not moving. But as you change the pitch, it moves. As you change the roll, the inputs will change, and then as you change the yaw, as you can see, it'll change. The variables will change. Alright guys, we're back with the orientation. You can see your pitch, roll, and yaw. It's the same code as before, but this time we have a message and a sense.show_ message, which is going to set up what is going to be displayed on our LEDs on our Raspberry Pi SenseHat right here. And then the sense.show message is what the message saves all this as a variable, and this is going to play that variable at this scroll speed. And so you want to save your program and then wait for it to run. And if you did everything right, your pitch, your roll, and your yaw should display on your LEDs on the SenseHat.
Just wait for it to run and then see if you can. Well, I don't. You gotta.